So, why should you plan your holiday promos right now to boost your sales? And I can already hear you say, "Oh, Petra, it's August. What's wrong with you? Have you lost your marbles? Maybe just three of them. And if you find them, please give them back." No, but all jokes aside, I will explain exactly why you need to start planning right now. And here's what you will learn. You will learn in this video why planning early can make your sales skyrocket over the holiday season, and how to have a stress-free holiday season because you're going to plan ahead, right? And I want to share with you the 14-day magic hack. Okay, so stay tuned until the end so you can see all of this. Now, let's start with why planning early can make your sales skyrocket. So, if you're gonna plan right now, you're not gonna be freaking out later, like 1 week before or 2 weeks before Black Friday, let's say. You're not gonna be like, oh my God, I still don't know what I'm gonna sell. I don't have any content ready, and so on. Did that happen to you? Because it happened to me before I learned that I need to plan ahead, like at least 3 months ahead. I was always planning like 14 days before Black Friday, or, like Christmas, or even for Halloween and stuff like that. Then in 2021, I started planning ahead, and I made one mistake that I want you to know about. And it is, I tried to promote three products. And I still, even though I've planned ahead, everything was done by the end of September, it was still a little bit stressful because I had to promote three products and only one of them was doing good. The other ones were like, nah. Then in 2022, I decided I'm going to plan for one product, and it was the best year yet for the Black Friday. Then in 2023, I made a big mistake. I planned ahead, but then 14 days before, I was like, I don't want to sell that. I'm going to sell this. So I had to change everything. Do not do that. Start planning now so you're not going to be freaking out later, and you're going to have time to perfect your content, right? So if you start planning now, and let's say you're done by the end of August, in September, you can go through all of your content and start asking yourself, would I buy from myself? Is this good? Can I change this? Right? And you can perfect your content and your strategy, right? And then also you can start thinking about right now and start doing something to attract more followers and more leads. So email subscribers, right? Right now, so that you're going to have a bigger audience. Of course, if you're not going to target your ideal audience, it's not going to work. But if you start attracting them right now, if you start thinking, well, let me create this freebie because it closely relates to what I'm about to sell on Black Friday. Yes, I know it's still some time until Black Friday, but just think about it. 2024, the year 2024 just started and it's already August. So, time flies by. So, start also thinking about how you can attract more people so that you're going to have a bigger audience and you're going to make more sales. Okay. So the next thing is how to have a stress-free holiday season. Obviously, if you're going to plan ahead, you're going to have less stress later or no stress whatsoever, right? So first, what I want you to do today, because this is the easiest part that you can do, choose what product you're going to sell, and then also choose, are you going to, I don't know, bundle it up, or are you going to put 30 to 50% coupon code for one product or whatever? Just write that down today. Okay, then you start planning ahead. So if you're going to start promoting this product, you have to go from your product backwards. So what specific big huge problem or challenge your product solves, and you're going to start planning backwards, right? So, and also you're going to, if you start working on your business, on leads, on getting more audience, right? Getting more visibility for your business, You're going to get more traffic now. You're going to build trust because you know people don't trust like that, right? First of all, you have to know that in the last 40 to 50 years, we have the lowest trust rate from customers to business owners. So, customers or potential customers trust us business owners way less than like 40, 50 years ago. Why? Because there has been so many scammers, right? I remember years ago, I think it was 2016 or 2017, when I lost $2,000 because they made that opportunity look so good. And then later on, we learned that they stole all of the courses they were selling and so on. So yeah, I got $200 back from 2000. So you can see, if you're going to build traffic now and build trust, they're going to trust you more later, right? And you're going to make more sales, because without them trusting you, I mean, you can stand on your eyelashes and they're not going to buy. Okay. And now, this is the moment you've been waiting for, the 14-day magic hack, which is something that I've learned, and it makes total sense, and not a lot of people know about this. Okay, so you need to prep your audience, and by that I mean you have to start the conversations, or your content has to cover your audience's pain points at least 14 days before you're going to sell your specific product. So for 14 days before your promotion, your promo, right? You talk about that product, or sorry, not that product, that problem. So let's say this is your audience's problem, huge problem. Every single problem is actually built or created from smaller, let's call them sub problems, right? So if your audience has this huge problem and you solve some of those sub problems before your promo, they're going to see you as a go to person. They're going to trust you more. So you see, and plus, if you talk about that specific problem that they have, it's going to be top of their mind. It's going to be ingrained in their subconscious mind. You could start doing this even 30 days before. So for 30 days, or at least 14 days before your promo, you talk about that specific problem that they have every single day. And you solve a part of that problem, like this sub problem, and this one, right? And people see you as a go-to person. People see like, oh, she helped me a lot. And then maybe you start talking about your solution, so your digital product, right? Before, like a couple of days before you start promoting, like 50% off or whatever. And if you tell your audience, for example, if they're like, oh, do you have something that could teach me how to eliminate this problem? You might tell them, I have this product, but just wait for another, I don't know, 3 days, because it's going to be on sale. And you might say, well, but wouldn't I make more money if, I just sell it right there and then? Wouldn't it be better if you wait, make slightly less money, like 30% less, right? Because it's going to be 30% off, but you make slightly less money. However, that person loves you way more because you told them, no, wait, don't buy it now, save some money and buy it like 3 days from now, because I'm going to have a huge sale. I mean, I remember not too long ago, it was a couple of months ago, that someone said, I'm going to create this, blah, blah, blah. She talked about something, right? And, or actually, she already created it. But she said at the end, she was like, don't buy it now, because next week on Monday, I'm going to have a sale. And I was like, okay, I'm going to wait. And I loved her more for that. And I've trusted her more because of that. So I bought it right on Monday when she sent out an email. Hey, this is on sale. Like I said last week, I was like, okay, buy. I didn't even check much what I'm getting inside. I just bought, right? And that's the reason why you start talking about that specific problem so that it's going to be top of their mind, because when you show the solution, so your digital product, they're going to be like, oh look, there's a solution, like you read my mind, right? So you're going to be like, here's the solution, they're going to be more likely to buy it, right? So it's that's how it works. So you see why you need to plan ahead, because here's the reason. People start 14 days before, let's say, Black Friday. They start creating their Black Friday content, right? So all the promos, emails, all social media posts, but they don't think about, well, for this 14 days before I start my promo, I should prep my audience. I should talk about this specific problem. They don't do that. You see, that's why you need to plan ahead, so that is in your mind. And plus, this is why a lot of people don't make that much money, because from now until Black Friday, or from now until Christmas, if you just want to do Christmas deals, right? You still have time to build your audience, to get more followers, to get more, traffic in general. And be careful. Don't just target everyone. Traffic has to be targeted, right? Or else it's not going to work. As I said, you could jump on your eyelashes, no one's going to buy, right? So that's it. I hope this helps you. Now, if you need help planning, if you're like, but I'm lost, I don't know what to plan, I don't know any hacks and strategies that could work out for me, don't worry. I've made my holiday sales accelerator kit. Now, this is not free, okay? I'm just going to be honest. Right now, it's $47, and you get all of this. So you get how to boost your holiday sales mastery ebook. So in there, you're going to learn different strategies and hacks and so on. So then you get also holiday business planner, obviously, because you need to plan, right? You get fill in the blank holiday social media content templates. So some of them are specifically for raising awareness of your audience's challenges, which we talked about, right? You need to talk about those challenges at least 14 days before your offer, every single day. I don't mean like 14 days before for one day you talk about it and then you're done. No, every single day. So then questions for market research, which you should start now. See what people are struggling with, so that you can see what's best to sell on Black Friday or Halloween or Christmas or whatever. Then you get promotional posts, hooks, and calls to action. Then you get also holiday email templates. So they're ready for you. You just, input your own information. You get also Canva graphics, and you get bonuses. So you get a bunch of bonuses, holiday marketing checklist, last minute holiday marketing ideas, because I know there's going to be someone out there who's going to be like, oh my God, last minute doing everything. Don't do that, okay? But this is just for you to see, like, okay, this is what I can do last minute. So you get AI generated holiday images and digital stickers, and you get holiday Facebook banner templates and holiday blog banner templates. And what I'm still creating is obviously AI stuff. So I'm going to show you how to use AI, how to use it to plan ahead, how to use it to help you out with marketing material and so on. Okay, but it's not in there yet. So I'm probably going to do it next week. So today is 9th of August 2024. Okay, when I'm going to create it next week, I'm going to put it in, then the price is going to go up. So right now, this holiday sales accelerator is $47. Next week, when I'm going to add that video, let's call it a mini master class, and I'm also going to obviously give you all of the AI prompts that I'm going to use and so on, then the price is going to go up to $67. So get it now, because you're not going to pay extra. Get it now, and you're going to get that master class basically for free. So that's all. Now you understand why you should start planning. If you don't need this sales accelerator kit, if you're like, I know what I'm doing. I know marketing and sales. You don't need to buy this, but please start planning today. Okay. So thank you for watching this video and see you next time. And I just forgot, by the way, this holiday sales accelerator kit, you can get it down below. Now I'm done. So see you in the next video.